Welcome guys back to my channel. Today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make some jerk chicken skewers. Here I have some chicken, it's a debone leg and thigh. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dice them up and then put them on a skewer and grill them. So it's basically some jerk chicken skewer. I think you can have these with anything you desire. I'll probably make just a nice salad to go with it. This one is okay, so I'll just cut these a bit. Okay. Here I have some dry rubs. This is jerk season dry rub, which is my own brand Linden here. So I'm gonna add some here. Then I have some marinade, which is this one, which is my own brand. So add some over it. Here I have some skewer stick. The thing is, when you're using a skewer, you can either soak it in water. That means when it's on the grill, it won't burn that easy. So you can just feed these on here. You can make the same using pork or some fish, king prawns, even beef, whatever you desire. With these you can put them in the oven, but I like to do them on the grill. You can add one more to this one. That's what it looks like. And now guys, I'm outside. It's a bit cold here in the UK, so I'm gonna put them on. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the exciting part for me. I've just made a bit of hot jerk sauce, just, you know, get some really hot. So I'm gonna put some in this. I'm not gonna fill it up too much. I'm gonna put it at an angle where you can see everything. And that's my jerk chicken kebab just coming off the grill there. I want to put it at an angle because I don't want to put too much on the plate. Yes, I'm very excited. It's a wonderful dish, great dish. This is what it looked like. Please leave good comment. Remember to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video. Normally I put out probably 3-4 videos per week, so stay tuned. I have something else coming special for you. Here you go. Peace be unto you all.